Next question, student. Question number 26. Two stones are thrown up simultaneously from the edge of a cliff 200-meter high with initial speed of 15 meter per second. Initial speed, that is what, 15 meter per second, and the cliff is which is 200-meter high. Two stones are thrown up simultaneously from the edge of a cliff 200-meter high with initial speed of 15 meter per second and 30 meter per second. Verify that the graph shown in the figure correctly represent the time variation of the relative position of the second stone with respect to the first stone. Relative separation of the second stone with respect to first stone. Neglect air resistance and assume that the stones do not rebound after hitting the ground. Take g equal to 10 meter per second square. Give the equations for the linear and curved part of the plot. So student, here given two stone which is thrown which from the cliff which is 200 meter high. So initial position of the stone, that is what, which is 200 meter, and when stone is thrown in vertically upward, first stone with initial velocity 15 meter per second and second stone with initial velocity 30 meter per second. So after time t, its position formula, you know that x equal to x naught plus ut plus half at square. Now I am going to use this formula. So student, when first stone is thrown in upward direction from a 200 meter high cliff, and when this stone hit the ground, so this displacement, when it hits the ground, their displacement, that is what, after time t, its displacement, that is what, 0. So first case, when first stone hits the ground, when first stone hits the ground, student, we use formula, that is what, here position of the position of the object after time t, that is what, x1, initial position, that is what, x0 plus ut, initial velocity of the first stone 15, and after time t, and student, it is thrown in upward direction, so acceleration take it to be negative, that is what, half at square. Actual formula, that is what, x equal to x position of the object after time t, if the initial position at time t which is x0. So position of the object after time t can be written as x1 equal to x0 plus ut plus half at square, but here object is thrown, means stone is thrown in upward direction, so formula comes out to be that after time t, its position, stone position, x1 equal to x0 plus ut, and it will be thrown in upward direction, so it is taken to be minus half at square. But student, first stone hits the ground, it means what, x1, that is what, 0. When first stone hit the ground, it means x1, that is what, 0, and x0, that is what, 200 given, initial position, u, that is the initial velocity 15, time we have to find minus half, and acceleration we have taken negative 10 meter per second square, and that is what, t square, student, here, that is what, 5, and student, when it comes to left hand side, this equation comes out to be that 5t square, again it comes out to be what, here negative 200 also comes to here, that is what, negative, and equation, that is what, 0, and divided by 5, by this equation it comes out to be, student, t square minus 3t minus 40, which is equal to 0. Now student, solving this equation to find the value of t, and this equation can be written as 3 square, this 40t square minus 3, it means what? 8 and 3. So that is what? Plus 8t plus minus 8t minus 8t quadratic equation minus 8t plus 5t. So that is what? Minus 8t plus 5 plus minus 8t plus 5t minus 40, that is what? Equal to 0. Here taking the common t, it comes out to be that t minus 8. Also here common 5 t minus 8, which is equal to what? 0. So t minus 8 and t plus 5 equal to what? 0. So t comes out to be what? 8 second, and t comes out to be that what? Minus 5 second. So student, t equal to minus 5 second, that is what? Meaningless. Meaningless. T equal to 5 second. So after time t, which is 8 second, first stone hit the ground. Now student, motion of second stone. Now second stone thrown from the same cliff at the same height 200 meter, and after time t the second stone will also hit the ground. It means when second stone hit the ground, when second stone hit the ground, it means what? x2, that is what? 0. In the same way as the previous equation of the first stone, so we use x2 equal to what? x0 plus ut minus half at square for second stone, and when second stone hits the ground, it means what? x2, that is what? 0. x0, that is what? 200 initial position of the stone. Initial speed, that is what? 30 in this case, minus half acceleration, that is what? 10, which is taken to be here negative, and 2t square. 2 5 the student, and again it comes out to be left hand side, it comes out to be that 5t square student minus 30t minus 200, and again solving this by dividing this equation 5, it comes out to be what? 3t square minus 6t minus, that is what? That is 60, that is 40, which is equal to what? 6. And student, this is equation 2, and when first stone hits the ground, and their equation we have already written here, which is 5t square when first stone hit the ground, so it comes out 5t square minus 15t, and that is what? Minus 200, and which is 0, and this is equation 1. When first stone hit the ground, this equation which is written here, and also this is the equation 2. And solving this student, t square minus 6t minus 40, and that is 40. So it can be written as t square minus 10t plus 4t minus 40. So students, solving this, it can be comes out to taking t common here, t minus 10 plus 4 common, and also comes out to be that is what? That is t minus 10, which is equal to what? 0. So t minus 10 and t plus 4 in second case, so t equal to what? 10 second, and t equal to what? Minus 4 second. So t equal to minus 4 second, that is what? Meaningless. So second stone hit the ground. Second stone, t equal to minus 4 second, that is what? Meaningless. So after 10 seconds, second stone hit the ground. So this is the equation, this is the graph for second stone. Now student, so first stone hit the ground, that is what? 8 second, and second stone hit the ground, that is what? 10 second. Now we have to find the separation between position of separation of two stone after time t. So student, we have to write the separation between two stone, and student, separation between two stone means what? First stone, their equation already we have written in the previous case. x1, that is what? 200 ut minus ut plus 15t for first case, and that is what? ut 5t square. This is the equation for first equation. We have already solved in the first case. And student, in second case, that is what? x2, that is what? x2, that is what? 200t, that is what? 15t, 30t, that is, and also that is what? 5t square. This is equation, that is what? 2. This is not equation. So student, the position of the first stone, we use x equal to x equal to x0 plus ut plus half at square. So here minus half at square. So position of the first stone, that is what? 200 plus 15t minus 5t square. Position of second stone, 200 plus 30t minus half t square. Now we have to find the relative position of second stone with respect to what? First stone. So if we x2 minus x1, that is what? x2 minus x1, it means what? This will be cancelled out, and this will be 30 minus 15, that is what? 15t, and student, this will also cancel out. So this is what? Relative position, relative separation of second stone with respect to when first stone is thrown in upward direction and second stone thrown in upward direction. So what is the relative separation between the two stone after time t before hitting the ground? x2 minus x1, which is equal to what? 15t. And student, this x2 minus x1, which is equal to 15t, and x2 minus x1, so that this equation shows the linear relationship, linear relationship with what? Time. So here we can say that x2 minus x1, that is what? Time t. So x2 minus x1 is equal to 15t, which is a linear relationship between what? Time. So if you plot a graph between x2 minus x1 with t, by increasing the time, separation will also be what? Increase till at t equal to 8 second, first stone hit the ground. So what is the maximum separation between two stone? Maximum separation between two stone, maximum separation between two stone when first stone hit the ground, and first stone hit the ground when t equal to what? 8. So first stone hit the ground in time, that is what? 8 second. So what is the separation between the two stone after time 8 second? So it comes out to be, student, that is that is what, put the value here, x2 minus x1, so that is what, 15 into what, 15 into 8, that is what, 120 meter. So this is the maximum separation between two stones when the first stone hit the ground. So student, x2 minus x1, that is what the linear relationship with what, time. By increasing the time, x2 minus x1 will what, also increases till when t equal to 8, when first stone hit the ground, t equal to 8. So x2 minus x1, that is what, 120 meter, and this is the maximum separation or relative separation between two stones. And this is the equation of linear equation of relative separation between two stones, which is 15t. And second stone hit the ground in 10 seconds. It means what? Second stone hit the ground after 8 seconds. It means what? Second stone only takes 2 seconds more, and at 10 seconds, second stone will also be what? Hit the ground. With this graph, an equation for this graph, that is second stone, x2 minus x1, that is x2, second equation, x2, that is what, 200 plus 30t minus 5t square. So second stone hit the ground after 2 seconds of the first stone, and they follow the path of parabola. They follow the path of parabola with equation x2 equal to 200 plus 30t minus 5t square. So what is the equation? Now question asking, give the equation for the linear and curve part of the plot. So equation of linear part, that is what? Equation of linear part, that is what? x2 minus x1, that is what? 15t. And this is equation for this linear part, and equation for curve part, that is what? x2, that is what? Second stone, which is x2 equal to 200 plus 30t minus 5t square. So this graph is correctly plotted, and we find the x2 minus x1, which is what? 15t, and this is the straight line path which is shown by this equation. And after first stone hit the ground, and 2 seconds later second stone will hit the ground, and the equation of the curve path of second stone, x2 equal to 200 plus 30t minus 5t square.